Hey, this is Shawn from Shawn Cole Enterprises. You find my YouTube channel where I give you tips on how to make money from home and online. And I'm going to do this today. I want to give you some information about one of the companies that I talk about pretty frequently, excuse me, which is the Royaltie Company. And they just announced that they are basically running a Valentine's Day promotion. It's a promo that starts today where all new customers, say now to February 14th, you will be getting $25 for your first referral, $25 cash. You will get $25 for your second referral, and you will also get $87 for your third referral, which equals up to a total of $137. Now that's upfront money, besides to say once you earn commissions and stuff like that. It's called a quick start, where say your quick start, where say you will double your commission bonus. And this is available for all new customers. You will Once you reach a rank, you will receive a double commission bonus. New customers will get double commissions on their rank when they reach the rank of silver or above. And say if you're a current affiliate, you will get an additional one-time bonus on your new affiliates ending rank for that month of February, of course. Let's say, for example, if your current affiliate ends the month with a $1,000 in volume in February, say you get the $250 bonus, right? If your current affiliate ends the month with $2,500 in volume for February, you get the $500 bonus. If your current affiliate ends the month with a $5,000 in volume in February, you will get a $1,000 bonus. If you're in the Royaltie Giraffe Club, right? And basically what the Giraffe Club is, if you're a member of the Giraffe Club, the company assigns unassigned leads to you. They basically give you leads. Hot leads of people that come into this website that are not associated with any affiliate. They're assigned to members of this Giraffe Club. You get $25, for your first 4 customers starting today until February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. Again, this is a bonus that the Royaltie Company is running. So if you're an online marketer, if you're looking to start a business and mostly you want to work it online, this is an online software company, and this is a bonus that they are running for new customers, new affiliates, to help give you a quick start on earning some money this year. Again, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises. This is my YouTube channel where I talk to you about how to earn money online, how to grow your home-based business. If you're interested in this program of Royaltie and you would like some more information, I'll place some links in the description of this video, or you could give me a call at 410-929-3390 and we could talk about it. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.